In this video, you will see what's included in the box. We will detail the parts included for both the Smart Home Alarm Kit and the Smart Home Security Kit. Every item can be purchased separately, so you can design the kit that best suits you and your lifestyle. Now, in the Smart Home Alarm Kit, you will find 1 Smart Hub, 2 motion sensors, a window door sensor, an indoor camera, and an indoor siren. In the Smart Home Security Kit, you will find 1 Smart Hub, 2 motion sensors, a window door sensor, a smart plug, and a key fob. Other available accessories that pair seamlessly with the Smart Hub include an outdoor siren designed to be installed outdoors and provide a piercing alert to deter and protect, an outdoor camera designed to weather the elements and give you remote insight into what's happening outside your premises. In the following video segments, we will familiarize you with the components, show you how to pair them to the Smart Hub, and provide some usage scenarios. But that's just the beginning. The usage is only limited by your imagination. For additional or missing parts, please visit www.swann.com.